Past negative be. Joe and Brian went to the movie theater last Friday. Unfortunately, the movie was not interesting. The popcorn wasn't fresh. The tickets weren't cheap. Joe and Brian were not happy. Look for the negative forms of the be verb here. Here we have was not, and here wasn't. Here is weren't, and here is were not. These are the ways we form the negative of be in the simple past. Use was or were and not to form the negative of be in the past. The movie was not interesting. They were not happy. There are two ways. The first way is add not after the be verb. You know this already. I was not, you were not, he was not, she was not, it was not, we were not, you were not, they were not. It's all the same, just add the word not. The second way is make a contraction with be and not. So this time to make the contraction, I was not, we drop the O in not, we push these letters together, and of course, there is an apostrophe. I wasn't. You were not. Same thing. We drop the O in not. We push these letters together so we have one word, and then the apostrophe. You weren't. And since there are only two forms, was and were in the past, the rest follow the same pattern. He wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, and all the plurals are the same. We weren't, you weren't, they weren't. Okay, you try. Look at the sentences. Fill in the blanks with the negative past of be. What do you need? Was not or were not? Ready? Ryan had a good day. He was not late to school. His classes were not boring. His homework was not hard, so he was not awake very late at night. Okay, now can you change all of these to contractions? Let's look. Ryan had a good day. He wasn't late to school. His classes weren't boring. His homework wasn't hard, so he wasn't awake very late at night. Okay? One more time. This time just use contractions. Take a moment, look at the sentences, and decide between wasn't and weren't. Okay, are you ready? Andres had a terrible day. He had a big project to finish. His boss wasn't happy. His colleagues weren't helpful. The office wasn't quiet, so he went outside to work, but his computer wasn't charged. Poor Andres. Use was or were plus not to form the negative of be in the past. His classes were not boring. His computer was not charged. Were not and was not change to weren't and wasn't when we make the contractions.